Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be discussing arrest in general. This topic is actually related to warrantless arrest, such as in flagrante delicto arrest and hot pursuit, and our previous topic, presidential immunity. These topics are already discussed in our previous videos. I will put the link on the description box. This topic is also related to congressional or parliamentary immunity and warrant of arrest, which I will discuss it in detail in the future. Now we go to our topic, arrest. Arrest. Arrest is the taking of a person into custody in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. It is a restraint on person, depriving one of his own will and liberty, binding him to become obedient to the will of the law. How arrest is made? Arrest is made by 1. An actual restraint of a person to be arrested, or 2. By his submission to the custody of the person making the arrest. It can also be by 1. By virtue of a warrant, or 2. Warrantless arrest in cases allowed by the rules. Who has the duty to arrest? 1. Arrest by peace officer, or 2. Citizen's arrest. Citizen's arrests are allowed when there is valid warrantless arrest. When arrest is made, arrest may be made on any day, at any time of the day or night. Instances when warrant of arrest is not necessary. 1. Accused is already under detention. 2. Complaint or information was filed pursuant to a valid warrantless arrest. And 3. Complaint or information is for an offense penalized by fine only. As I said a while ago, I will discuss warrant of arrest in a separate video. What is the duty of the arresting officer who arrested a person without warrant? The officer shall inform the person to be arrested of his authority and the cause of the arrest without a warrant. In case the arresting person is a private person, the private person shall inform the person to be arrested of the intention to arrest him and the cause of the arrest. The giving of information is dispensed with when the person to be arrested is engaged in the commission of an offense or is pursued immediately after its commission. When he has escaped, flees, or forcibly resists before the officer has an opportunity to inform him. And when the giving of such information will imperil the arrest. Amount of force to be used in making an arrest. As a rule, no violence or unnecessary force shall be used in making an arrest. The person arrested shall not be subject to a greater restraint than is necessary for his detention. However, force can be employed if it is necessary to secure and detain the offender, overcome his resistance, prevent his escape, recapture him, and protect himself from bodily harm. When can an officer may break into a building or enclosure? An officer may break into a building or enclosure to effect an arrest provided that 1. The person to be arrested is or reasonably believed to be in the said building. 2. The officer has announced his authority and purpose for entering therein. And 3. He has requested and been denied admittance. A lawful arrest may be made anywhere, even on a private property or in a house. This rule is applicable both where the arrest is under a warrant and where there is a valid warrantless arrest. Objects subject to confiscation from the person arrested. 1. Objects subject of the offense or used or intended to be used in the commission of the crime. 2. Objects which are fruits of the crime. 3. Those which might be used by the arrested person to commit violence or to escape. And 4. Dangerous weapons and those which may be used as evidence in the case. Note that the arrest must precede the search and the process cannot be reversed. Mauuna ang arrest before search, hindi search before arrest. Nevertheless, a search substantially contemporaneous with an arrest can precede the arrest at the outset of the search. To end, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.